Local Government Minister Desmond McKenzie has come to the defense of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, for its response post-Hurricane Melissa. The NSWMA has been at the forefront of some of the state's cleanup efforts across the country, removing debris from some of the hardest hit areas. Many residents, though, have been critical of the effort, labeling it as slow, as some communities still have debris uncollected months after the hurricane.
For Jamaicans to be critical of the National Solid Waste Management Authority. But if we really appreciate the work of the men and women at Solid Waste, we would understand the tremendous amount of work that they have been doing since the passage of Melissa right across the country. The waste management system that the organization has put in place is reaping tremendous success. I'm not saying that we're where we want to be in terms of garbage collection, but I'm telling you right now, we could never ask for more out of the men and women. In some cases, they are going even 24 hours around the clock in certain communities.
The minister was speaking recently after the cleanup and debushing of the St. Anne Infirmary. The facility was hard hit by Hurricane Melissa, with several buildings losing roofs. Many had to be subsequently demolished and will have to be rebuilt. Stakeholders, including the KSAMC, NSWMA, assisted in the cleanup at the St. Anne-based facility.
Given me the assurance that today's exercise will not just end today or next week, but almost every other week an attempt will be made to prevent the grounds from going back to the condition that it was before we came in.